Hardware. All the physical components of a computer system are called hardware. These are the parts which we can see or touch. Hardware devices are further classified as shown. Hardware. Input devices. Processing device. Output devices. Storage devices. Input devices. A computer accepts data and instructions through input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, microphone, etc. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter words, numbers, and special characters. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that inputs data by pointing, clicking, and dragging.
Scanner. A scanner is an electronic machine inputs printed pictures and text into the computer by converting them into digital form. Microphone. A microphone is a device that used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system.
Webcam. A webcam is a digital video camera used to put your image into the computer. Processing device. A computer converts the input into meaningful information through the processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processor. It is the brain of a computer that does all the calculations, runs all the programs, and manages all the operations. The CPU is a chip which is placed inside the CPU box. Output devices. A computer displays the result of the processed data through the output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Monitor. A monitor, also called the Visual Display Unit, VDU, displays the output as soft copy on its screen. Printer. A printer prints the output on a paper which is called a hard copy. Speakers. Speakers produce music, speech, or other sounds as output. Projector. A projector displays the output from the computer screen onto a larger screen. Storage devices. Storage devices are the hardware devices used to store data. Once you have finished working with your data, you can store the data permanently in storage devices. Some examples of storage devices are hard disk, DVD, and pen drive.
Hybrid devices. A hybrid device is a gadget that can do more than one thing. It can act as both an input and an output device. Smartphone. A smartphone is a gadget that lets you do many things. You can type messages, take pictures, and use apps. Input. It also shows you videos, plays music, and makes calls. Output. Headphone. Headphones are used to listen to music or sounds. Output, without disturbing others. It can also have a built-in microphone to talk or record your voice. Input. Smartwatch. A smartwatch can show you the time, track your fitness, and display notifications from your phone. Output. It can also let you respond to messages or make calls using its touch screen. Input. Laptop. A laptop is a computer that you can use to type documents, browse the internet, and play games. Input. It also displays information on its screen, plays sound through its speakers. Smart board. A smart board is a large interactive screen used in classrooms. You can write on it and interact with it using touch or special pens. Input. It can also show videos, presentations, and diagrams. Output.